before, after. I want to look and feel completely different today, so let's do a full glam transformation. Starting with colored contacts. These are a lighter brown contact color from Solotica. It just turned my orange eyes into like hazel. Whoa. Next is my hair. I'll be back. I just did some loose, messy waves. Then I'm gonna laminate my brows with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And then using their brow micro-filling pin to fill it in. Next, I'm going to try this Ole Henriksen color corrector. Oh, that feels nice. That blends out so nice. Next, I'm going to use the YSL All Hours foundation. It gives such a beautiful matte finish. Next, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Fox Filter concealer. Whoa, that is good. That's insane. Then I'm using the NARS Laguna bronzer. Let's try this P. Louise blush. Oh yeah. I love how it didn't mess up the makeup underneath. Cali Ray Surf Proof setting spray. I've been wanting to try this Dermablend setting powder. Crazy. Time for some Cali Ray highlighter. Now let's play with this palette. Ingla eyeliner. Huda Beauty eyeliner. I threw on House of Lashes Divine Light, finishing with NYX lip liner with this Kaleidos lipstick. And here's the final look.